Hello everyone! So, pasensya na kayo ganito yung style ng buhok ko dahil ayun nga, nagpapagaling ako physically but I can able to cook naman. So, obviously, pinakita ko sa inyo ang lulutuin natin for today is biryani. Since nandito si Papa and nag-crave po ako sa biryani but I'm not pregnant anymore. And this time, magluluto tayo. Maaga pa naman, quarter to 5 p.m. But usually 6 uh, to 6:30 naman kami nagdi-dinner. So, may time pa talaga ako. Tsaka madali lang naman magluto ng biryani. Hindi mo naman siya kailangan bantayan most of the time. So, let's cook and prepare our needs for cooking. So, we have a chicken and this coriander and mint. And my two pieces of tomato, and meron tayong star anise and cloves. Yan. So far, ito yung kailangan natin. Kasi meron na po tayong biryani powder na kumpleto na. Nandito na yung mga seasoning. Pero it depends upon you kung ano pa yung gusto mo panlasa. So, and also gagamit po tayo ng yogurt. Any kind of yogurt, basta plain. Any kind of yogurt, basta plain. So, yun lamang ang kailangan natin. So, prepare na natin.